I'm DJ Dan from Fairbanks, Alaska. This is Axis, Pig's Claw, Hammers, and Footstools. Your rock and roll friend here at YouTube. Your radio transplant that never should have been, but never should have not been. The thing that never lived, but now lives amongst us. Yeah, that's right. Axis, Pig's Claw, Hammers, and Footstools is the place to be. It's home of the hits and the happenings here on YouTube. The place to be. The umbrella to stand under when depression reigns. The blues fall from the sky like the tears of God. Axis, Pig's Claw, Hammers, and Footstools is here for you with the rock and roll balm for your senses that you need to survive the rough times. Okay, now, here we are in this endless now, and we have the eternal playlist to reckon with. And what, you reckon, is on the eternal playlist now? Well, I'll tell you what, it's been a while since I've listened to some, cowpunk, country punk, punkabilly, country punkabilly. So I think we're going to do that. We're going to listen to that. That's what we're going to do. Hey, so the band is called 9 Pound Hammer. The album is Hayseed Time Bomb from 1994. 3 cuts. We're starting off with Fuck Pie. That's right. You heard me. Fuck Pie. And then we're going to segue right into Out of the Way, Pig Fuckers. Yeah, that's right. Out of the Way, Pig Fuckers. And then we're going to wrap it all up with a Shotgun in the Chevy. Shotgun in the Chevy. 9 Pound Hammer. Hey, fuck pie. Grab yourself a slice if they're handing them out. Hey, that was 9 Pound Hammer. And now two more. Next one. Out of the way, pig fuckers! times, the only thing you can say is, out of the way, pig fuckers. I understand. All right, we're wrapping it up for 9 Pound Hammer here with Shotgun in the Chevy. These are all from 1994's Hayseed Time Bomb album. A little topical country punkabilly to smear all over your wounds. Shotgun in the Chevy, 9 Pound Hammer. Shotgun in the Chevy, hard driving punkabilly from 9 Pound Hammer of the Hayseed Time Bomb album 1994. A very good year. We started off with Fuck Pie, then Out of the Way, Big Fuckers. Finished off with Shotgun in the Chevy. 9 Pound Hammer, I'm DJ Than from Fairbanks, Alaska. This is Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools. Your rock and roll friend, you tuned in, turned on, and dropped in at the right time, always, because the eternal playlist is eternal. It never stops. So, any time of the day or night, yes, Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools is there for you.